me and Lauren doing all this hard work, moving stuff in the storage, and we got our favorite drinks, our new favorite drinks today. Huh, Lauren? It's our new favorite drink. Ah. Ooh-wee. Good morning. It's a beautiful day in Mississippi. How are my beautiful ones doing this beautiful Saturday? I'm hot. I'm moving some stuff in the storage. And yeah, I'm sweating. I know I look a little homely. I got my little bonnet on, or whatever you want to call this little thing. I've been had it on today, yesterday, the day before yesterday. But anyway, it's just a little bit too hot to have my wig on doing what I'm doing right now. I've been moving into my storage. I haven't gotten a lot of stuff in there, but yeah. So yeah. I just wanted to come in and say happy Saturday to you. I hope you're having a beautiful Saturday. And you're not moving into a storage today. Hopefully you're somewhere chilling, barbecuing, chilling at the beach, going to an amusement park, hanging out with your honey, doing something special. But anyway, I'll get back with you. Lord. Ooh, you're strong, girl. You're strong. Come on, let me help you. Miss Alicia, Southern Crew, how you doing? I want to thank you for what you did for me. I appreciate it very, very much. And I can't wait to meet up with you. Y'all go over there to Alicia Southern Crew and check her out. She also has Mississippi Shopping on the Budget. So yes, she is a Mississippiladyt. So y'all go on over there and check her out. There's a lot of birds over there. Oh my goodness. Beach birds.
Grandma, look. Grandma, look at me. Grandma.
today I got my first taste of how wonderful and thoughtful YouTube can be, and the people on YouTube, how kind and caring and giving that they can be on YouTube. All in today. So let me explain myself. Today I woke up, normal day. I was, getting myself together and sorting my clothes out, taking some things to Goodwill and just moving my stuff into storage. And I looked at my notifications and I see all these comments on my video. And I'm like, okay, what's going on? So I see this one notification and it says, let's get you to 100 subscribers. I'm like, what? So I looked at my subscriber count and yeah, I was at 100 subscribers. I was like, oh my gosh. So I was like, how did this happen? How did that happen? TSM rapper done shouted me out and told his squad over there to go subscribe to me. I don't know. I've never met this. I don't know this person. I'm not subscribed to this person. I have never watched any of this person's videos or anything. I just was randomly picked, for him to give me a shout out and tell his subscribers to go get me up to 100 subscribers. So I was elated. I was so happy. I was thanking everybody and everything, okay? So then about 30 minutes later, I noticed that my subscriber count had went down. It was up to 114. I had 114 subscribers, at one point. The last time I had looked at my subscriber count, it was from 100 to 114. I was like, oh my goodness. And I remember this because I got 114 videos on my channel, and it says 114 videos, 114 subscribers. So it's like, oh my goodness, yay! Thank you! thank you. I'm thanking everybody. Then I go back and look at it, and it's got 90 subscribers. It done went down to 90. So I was like, really? I was so upset. How could you do me like that? So, yeah. Sweet tea and lemonade mixed together. Got my chicken fingers and my sauce, butter bread, and some french fries. I have decided to move out. I share a place with, I've been dating him for 3 years. Matter of fact, last July just passed. We're our 3rd year together. We went to Pensacola, Florida with our friends and tried to have a good time. I'm not going to talk much about it. I just wanted to let you all know the reason why I was putting my stuff in the storage. I don't feel the need to just really bring you all into that situation. My beautiful ones, just know that, like the short I made a while back, I'm going to be walking into greatness. I feel sad. That it didn't work. And I'm about to start a new chapter in my life. And I wish him all the luck. Finding love, if that's what he wants. But me, myself, I'm going to take it slow. I'm not gonna date. It's gonna be a while before I get into another relationship. That sweet tea and lemonade is so good together. I'm just hungry. I've been working all day. Who been playing in the makeup? Lauryn, you been playing in the makeup? I don't know. I think I've been playing in the makeup too a little bit. You like my haircut? I went and got my hair cut down a little bit to even it out some. And I put a little beeswax on it to lay it down. This beeswax cream. It did lay it down. It's not sticking up like a little porcupine today. But yeah, I got it cut off. I got pretty much a lot of it cut off. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please come back next week for more videos and give me a like, a comment, and a share. Thank you.